Hello. Let's learn some English grammar. When we want to say that we like, or don't like, doing something, we use love, hate, like, plus the verb, plus-ing in the end.
Come on, talk to me. Talk to me. Say something.
She likes talking on the phone. He loves sleeping late. They hate shopping very much.
Created using Powtoon.